Okay, so I've submitted the campaign over here. You can see it's submitted. We can go to the ad center as well, but I will not be doing that. I want you guys to access your ads manager. So how are you gonna access your ads manager, right? You can go to your Simply Facebook profile, right? And if you click on this option, you've got the option of page and ads. If you open this up in new tab, automatically your ads manager would open up. Other way that I recommend is this. If you could see this facebook.com/ads manager, this will open up your ads manager, right? So if you remember, I just created a campaign, so I'm gonna refresh it, and you're going to see that campaign that we just boosted, right, that we just created, right, it's over here. So basically I use Boost Post just to attach cards, nothing else. It's just a way, it's just for you to get your foot in through the door, right? And once that's done, you see that this is the campaign I created. Just to give you guys an overview, I'm going to click on this option, and I'm going to give you a preview of the campaign. So I'm going to take you on the ad set level, ad level, and I'm going to click on preview, right? I've selected the ad. I'm going to click on preview, and this is exactly how my ad is looking, right? In mobile newsfeed, in desktop newsfeed, right? I'm just talking about myself. I made this video, I believe, almost an year ago. So this was just an ad, right? It's in review right now. It can get rejected, it can work, right? A lot of things can happen. This is a lifetime budget. So I'm just going to turn this campaign off, right? I'm just going to turn this campaign off because I was just trying to show you how to get started, right? The main topic today is the Facebook targeting, right? How do you target people in Facebook, right? So you just click on create, right? You're inside the ads manager. Remember, you open it by facebook.com/ads manager. You'll get access to this once you've created your first ad, right? You just need to attach your card. It's really that simple. You only need a Facebook page in which you have a post that has an image or a video and a basic write-up, right? I call this ad copy, right? Or you can even call it ad text, right? So getting back to where I was, right, this part. So I'm back in the campaign. This is one of the campaign that's already running, and as you can see that I personally rename all my campaigns, but since this is a testing account, this is just an ad account I use for testing stuff. I do the actual stuff in all of my other ad accounts, right? So this is one of the campaigns. I could rename it however I like, right? I haven't renamed it. I launched it yesterday. It has a budget of 350 rupees, which is equal to, you could say, around $2, or yeah, this is around $2, right, in USD, right? And you can see that I have the stats. I've spent around 132. So you can say that I spent around total amount of $1. No, it's less than a dollar, like 90 cents. I've spent like 90 cents till now, and I've got quite a number of likes. It almost cost me, like, you'd say that 50 cents. Like if I convert this is almost 60 cents in US dollars, right? So these are the amount of likes I'm getting, amount of people I've reached and stuff. So this is just an overview for you. When you guys will start doing things, then you'll know. So I'm just going to create a campaign right now in front of you, so that all of you guys who are starting out should have an idea how to do it. So I never prefer making campaigns from Boost Post, right? It's just for you to get in through. All the campaign that you should make, which should be within the ad manager, right? This is the real deal.